If you live in the United States and you feel your money disappears every month, you are not alone.
In 2026, the economy is still slow, prices stay high, and saving money matters more than ever. Experts now forecast that the U.S. economy will grow about 2% next year, but inflation is expected near 2.7 to 2.8%. Today, I will show you how to save money and protect your family's future. No hype, real data. Why saving now matters. With inflation above 2% and prices still rising, everyday costs like rent, groceries, and bills eat your money faster. Even though the Federal Reserve may cut interest rates slowly in 2026, and returns on basic savings accounts remain low. That means you have to be proactive with your money.
Step 2, automate savings. Set up automatic transfers right when you get paid. You cannot save what you don't see. Even $50 or $100 each paycheck adds up. This small habit builds your emergency fund fast. With inflation around 2.7%, plain checking accounts lose value over time. High-yield savings accounts pay you more interest. These accounts make your money grow faster than regular banks. Look for rates that beat inflation or at least keep pace. Step 4. Focus on high-interest debt first. Credit cards often charge 15% or more. That cost is bigger than what you earn from saving. Pay off the highest interest balances first. You free up cash flow and reduce stress.
Build an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 months of essential expenses. This protects you from unexpected bills without borrowing.
When life hits you hard, cash on hand keeps you stable.
Financial expert Humphrey Yang says, set your savings aside first, then spend the rest. If you want to save $500 a month, take it out first.
2026 will test your money habits. Prices and growth may slow, but smart saving keeps you in control.
Take action today. Track spending, automate savings, use better rates, clear debt, build your shield, protect your family's future.
U.S. GDP approximately 2% in 2026. Yahoo Finance. Inflation approximately 2.7 to 2.8%. Investopedia.
2026 will test your money habits. Prices and growth may slow, but smart saving keeps you in control.
And to make it even easier, use Wonder Wallet. It helps you track every dollar, find better rates.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out Wonder Wallet.